Hello guys, and we're gonna be playing one of the most random games that I have on my headset. It's a pretty fun game. Bird, hold on, Bird Runners. This is the player model. Yeah. Wait, how did I even set a name? I forgot. Can I flap? I think I need 2 controllers. Hold on. Okay. Practice, floors, lava, home. I'm not, okay. Oh geez, it's a hammock. So I guess bird, that's, I don't know if this is the game's hacked or something, but that kind of looked like it. Floors, lava, I guess. So I actually have no clue. It's random like mountains. Floors, lava, speedrunners. Random giveaway. Bird runners. Wait for the lava to set. Bro, no. I guess then, like, nobody's played this? What's in here? Practice? It's the big room. I think you're supposed to have like fly stuff. Cause you're a bird. Oh Jesus God, this is like sticks. Oh, well I can't really do that. Sorry I'm not talking much, I'm just trying to explore the game. This is looking like a pretty fun game. There's like random little thingies on the wall. The bouncy is actually bouncy. It is! That's the only time that I've seen like a walking bouncy house. Which home? What the freak? Okay. What's it just silent, bro? Oh, hi! Blood, you scared me. I don't like how there's like no music or anything. The bird. That bird right there is kinda creepy. Imagine I like get outside the map. Oh, okay, so I guess that. Oh, they just didn't finish the other one. Guessing this is just the same thing. Whee! Yeah. Hello, giant bird. Well, now I'm talking a bunch because I'm. Oh my god. Wait, I can see outside the map? Did they patch it so you can't get out? Yes. Did they though? Should I want to know. I think they did. Yeah, they did. So I could see floor is lava. Everything else that's kind of like unloaded. What's in treehouse? If I can even get up there. I'm gonna use definitely my pro branching skills. I think it's just a birdhouse, bro. I think it's actually just a birdhouse. Is there an entrance? Oh yeah, there is. This empty. Why is it so silent? Hi, bird. You kind of crushed the fence. Kind of crushed the fence with your big ass hand. But you can fall out of the map still, so. I don't like how silent this is. I'm hoping they have music. Now since I know that I can't get outside the map. Hi, birdie. Oh, fan art. Oh, it's. Guess. Just my collar? Or is this just like paint? Is that like what color I'm guessing? Can I go into the wardrobe? Oh. Oh, okay, maybe I do need... I can't move. I'm gonna reset my game and try to go back to here. I'm gonna reset my game and go back. I don't know why I did that. Judo Studios. Oh my god! Bro, what did that... What the... Okay. So I'm still blue. What the home? I don't know why the wardrobe broke. I don't even know if anybody's even on. Like, the whole game gets lighter. Just kind of like stops. Is this broken? I can stand on here. Like, as soon as I go into... Oh. Don't think they... Because see, I'm like floating kind of with my hand. This is kind of like solid. And this is just... There's isn't even a bottom. Ooh, okay. I don't know if I was supposed to enable. No. Don't know if I'm even... I don't need that. Ooh, stick. So my other bubble. Enable, okay. Rose, this looks like a... And maybe I have to like reset my game. Those I don't even know. Ooh, beanie. So now I gotta like parkour back. Don't know why that section's broke, but okay. Player, this. Ow! Dang, I just hit something. Hold on. Sorry, guys. If any of you know, I don't like when games are silent. I'm not getting back up there. Actually, hold on. I actually like this game a lot. Oh my god. I might be able to. Might not. I mean, well, I might not too. It's kind of. Oh my god, because the freaking hands in the way. So branch higher than this, or do I have to like? Oh yeah, there is right here, but. Okay. Maybe able to get back up. No, my stupid kind of hands in the way. I really can't see if I turn around. Like, where did my hand go? Okay. Sorry that I'm taking. You'll probably already left the video, but if you don't, make sure to like and subscribe if you're still here. Okay, maybe. Oh, okay. I'm gonna restart my game. Restarting my game like so many times. 2 times now. I just want to see if my cosmetics save. No, they didn't. Okay, so I guess wardrobe's broken. Now, I'm not pinch climbing up, so can't see if there's anything beyond that crowd. Okay, so if I like try somehow. But we've improved many features. There is now a tutorial you should see when you start the game. New home map to change your cosmetics, name, and color. Floor's Lava has gotten a rework and how you will just respawn instead of being kicked. But shout out to them. This is not a Gorilla Tag copy we're looking for. So sorry for my phone. This is a pretty good game, so like, I would rate it like a good, like if I had to rate it, why's my arm so long? Gotta look around. Since I don't know what's up there, but there probably isn't anything. I would rate this a 6 out of 10. Just if the owner or any of these people see this video, please take this advice and like fix the wardrobe because it's not working, and sorry, I'm saying a bunch, and fix the, well, yeah, just fix the thingy and fix the wardrobe in the new house, and yeah, sorry, and add music in there too because it's just silent, like dead silent. You can just hear like your footsteps. So bye.